Look at that. Nice wheelie. Oh, face mask fell off. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Guys, check out these wild turkeys. I got them some protection over here. Come on. Let me put this on you. What's up, Nitro Gang? You're looking at the Revo Survivor Edition, and you're looking at a TMaxx with a whole bunch of problems. We're going to talk about the TMaxx later and what it really has to do with this video. Either way, I just wanted to make a follow-up and afterthought video after you saw me in the last part bake the nitro motor, and many of you pointed out, hey bro, your bearing fell out of the clutch, and I actually did miss that. I only noticed it like later on in the video when I was editing, so no big deal. I probably just made a mistake, you know, putting the E-clip back into the clutch nut at the end there. Either way, I got it back in, everything is good. What really matters to me is not the idle. So I only showed how the engine idled, and it did start. You did see that. But what you didn't see, you didn't actually see the whole process afterwards. Just so you know, you can rebuild an engine like this, stick it in the oven, you can use a hair dryer, you could use an air gun, you could wear funny looking glasses, because it's sunny right now, which is actually what I'm doing. Otherwise, I'd be squinting a lot. But what really matters is, does this engine still perform at its high RPM? Now, we already have a baseline top speed run where I got 46 miles per hour on this Revo in a prior video. What really matters to me is, will it still hit those top RPM and those top speeds, and will it still actually perform well? Some of the most common comments in the video to the Revo series here were, what about your bearings? You gotta replace the bearings. The bearings don't look good. Well, you know what? We're gonna find out how the bearings are. To be honest with you, bearings are bearings. I mean, unless they're destroyed, unless they're somehow like crooked or dented, what's gonna happen to the bearings? They're fine. What happens to bearings over time is the seals begin to wear, and you start getting a lot of the, nitro oil leaking outside, and then you'll start noticing a lot of grime right around your flywheel. So if that happens, and usually it does happen after a couple gallons in any nitro motor, it really has nothing to do with the maintenance. It's just one of those wear characteristics of bearings. The seals eventually just begin to leak. For an average basher, it really does not hinder performance or compression in any way unless you have, a severe loss of compression, usually as a result of sand or dirt getting into the engine. I might have gotten salt water into the motor accidentally because, I didn't run the body, and right now the body is on it. But my goal was to really get some onboard footage of the car on the sand. That's why I did not run the body. I always say run the body, and then the one time I don't, take my own advice, I flip it into the freaking ocean accidentally. What are you gonna do? It's just one of those things you gotta be prepared for. Would an electric car have survived? Yeah, it would have survived. I've flipped electrics in the ocean many times. They're waterproof electronics, they're fine. You basically just gotta get rid of the salt oxidation on the RCs later, no big deal. What about this TMaxx, I bet you're asking yourself? Well, the motor is seized as always. What are you gonna do? It has a bunch of unnecessary aluminum parts. I picked this up a while ago in a good deal with a Traxxas E-Max. So on this RC, what I'm thinking of doing, and you tell me if you want me to do it, is a video on what's wrong with it. There's so much wrong with it that I could actually film a whole video on what's wrong with it, and maybe my estimate of what it would cost if you were ideally to replace all the parts. And then, being the nitro guru expert historian that I am, we're gonna try to get this running and spend $0, because we need that money for Wendy's, we need that money for pizza, and we need that money for probably a face mask that I have coming in the mail soon. I just got to the field, guys. The Revo Survivor Edition is definitely not gonna die. It's definitely not gonna get infected in this video. It's got a face mask on, that's right. I care more about the Revo than myself. But guys, I'm out here in this open parking lot. There is a Parks police guy way over there in the back, pretty much spying on me right now. And then there is an NYPD police car over there in the back, pretty much just chilling here. Now, as far as I know, there's currently no regulations right now that are preventing me from occupying and RCing in this lot. So whatever happens, I have my insurance, I have my registration, I have some money in case, well, I'm not gonna bribe anyone because I'm too cheap for that, but I have my driver's license. But what matters is we have the face mask. What are they possibly gonna do? Look at the amount of physical distancing I'm literally doing. There's probably like, a whole 300 feet between me and the local, you know, police guys over here. So unless they get close to me, I'm doing my job. The cops are leaving. Maybe we'll be safe after all, guys. I don't know. There's still a parks guy all the way down there. Pretty much tried to occupy an RC here before. And they had no laws and regulations on which to throw me out of here. But, you know, I got a GoPro on my head right now, so I got some video evidence. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to, you know, take my time here. I'm not gonna hit full blast with this Revo, see what these parks people do. And then we'll go from there, you know? Gotta take it easy. Let's prime this. Gotta warm it up a little. Should be okay. Yep, we're good to go. So far, they're not driving over here. It's only a matter of time, I think. I don't think they appreciate the RC nitro culture, guys. They might be E-word guys. Two-speed, oh yeah. First two-speed shift. So far, no cop activity. Two-speed is on point. Engine seems to be running just as well as before I baked it in the oven, you know? Even pulling a wheelie. Look at that wheelie. Look at that. Nice wheelie. Oh, face mask fell off. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. To be protected, you gotta wear your face mask correctly, guys. Look at that. No shutdowns, nothing. Oh, two-speed, baby. Oh yeah, I like this. OS engine, you can't kill it. The Revo Survivor Edition. Whoa, almost wheelied into my face. Face mask, what are you doing? Were you made in China, face mask? Because it looks like... Face mask, it looks like you were made in China. You keep falling off. Nice, I like this thing. Oh, I think I lost a body clip. If I lost a body clip, I'm gonna be pissed. I better not have lost my favorite body clips. Where's the damn body clip? Okay. Anodized green Apex Racing on Amazon. About $10 for like 25. Of course, you know, the body here broke before the body clips. On board view, let's go. Uh-oh. What happened? Engine just cut out. Uh-oh. It's not good. Seems seized. Not good. What's up, turkey? I never seen a white one before. Guys, check out these wild turkeys. I got them some protection over here. Come on. Let me put this on you. Turkey, come on, you need this. Why are you running away? We gotta save you from the virus. You're in an infected area. This is close to the COVID-19 testing center, turkey. Where are you going? I'm trying to save you. Look at this. This turkey is like walking away from me. I'm gonna have to chase it. I'm gonna have to chase it. All right, guys, I'm just kidding. But for real, check out these beautiful turkeys. These are wild Staten Island turkeys right here. They don't mess around. Look at this. A whole bunch of these turkeys. One would think it's like Thanksgiving over here. See these turkeys over there in the background? Oh man, this is a serious looking turkey right here. Whoa, they're coming to me. Guys, don't attack me. I only have one of these. Please, please, let me live.